What happens when your dealer charges you more than MSRP for your ordered Bronco? We're going to talk about that today and what you have to do in order to possibly get it for MSRP moving forward. Let's go. So today on the Buck Bronco channel, we're going to talk about what happens when you order a Bronco and you're getting ready to pick it up, blah, 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 and bam, your dealer is going to slap a adjusted market value, ADM, whatever you want to call it, onto MSRP. So I have experience with this because I actually lost one Bronco and I was able to pick up another Bronco, so I can wholeheartedly feel your pain when it comes to this. So obviously, we know dealers out there are charging over MSRP. They're adding market value or supply and demand charges to your Bronco order. What's the top three things that you can do to combat this? And I see it all the time on Bronco 6G. There's people getting hammered here. So let's talk about the number one thing that you need to do is you need to get it in writing. Have a signed DORA purchase agreement, whatever you want to call it. Have that signed and then verified not only with your salesman but also the sales manager there. Granted, your salesman might leave it. The dealer they may get a new sales manager. But at least have that verified by two different people, not just your salesman, because the salesman is there to make money. He's just going to go and work on this next deal. Granted, so this obviously getting in writing helps you have a signed both parties. Da 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 da. I think I had to put $100 on, so I did that for both of my deals. But what's happening is obviously they're saying it's supply and demand, but to have something in writing is going to help you first and foremost. Make sure you do it. Um, and then obviously, that goes along with getting it in writing is have a signed purchase agreement. No add-ons, no nothing. Make sure that you have this, scanned, copied, communicated. Basically have it ready to go as soon as your Bronco comes in off the truck. Um, with my deal is with the reason why I lost the first one wasn't because they were going to honor MSRP. They actually wanted to lowball me on my trade-in. So that's another factor that you have to keep in. If you're trading in anything, they're going to hit you over the head with your trade-in. That's just the way things are going right now. They're not going to make money on the Bronco, and so they're going to hit you over the head with their trade-in. That's what happened to me. I lost one. So basically, I ordered two, thank God, and I got the second one, and they really worked on my deal at a approved MSRP dealer. Now, if you look on, um, what's Ford doing about this? Like, aren't they slapping people, for doing this? Yes, they're going to affect their allocations in the future. That's what they've said. As you can see on what I have up on the screen, this is kind of what they're doing. They're affecting their allocations in the future if they're really, screwing people on these deals. And, to me, I get it. Everybody's got to make money. Sure. It's tough out there. It's, after COVID and everything going on with the market, people have to make money. I get it. So, can't fault the salesman or whatever, but you can. When I get mad is if you have it signed agreement and they don't honor it. That's when I get mad because that was your intended purchase price. They agreed on it. You agreed on it. It should be a done deal at that point. Um, so as my pro tip would be is to order two. It's $100. Order one that that is maybe from a dealer that you saw on, the Bronco 6G. I'll drop the link in the description of the video of the approved at MSRP dealers. That way you can at least know that you're going to get one at MSRP. When will you get it? I don't know, but at least you'll have that order ready to go. So thank God that I ordered two and I did this strategy because it helped me get it at MSRP, even though the other deal fell through. So, basically I know what you're going through, and just hang in there. It's going to come, and eventually you'll get your Bronco. Like mine, I love my Bronco. Despite all the things that have been said about issues and stuff like that with the 2.7 and stuff like that, but I just love my Bronco. As you guys know, that I modified the hell out of my Bronco too. So Yeah. So, hang in there. Follow my advice. Hopefully you get it at MSRP. No thrills, no nothing. And thanks for watching. This is just an update to the market I've seen out there. Um, so just want to help you guys on my advice. All right. Thanks for watching Buck Bronco. I appreciate your help and getting me to expand this channel. Please subscribe. Please, 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 please. I have some awesome interviews coming, guys. More part videos, more Bronco features on mine, events, and everything. All right. Thanks.